If your life feels stuck, it's not because of your phone. It's because your brain has learned to move only when something excites it. Real life doesn't work like that. That's why most people never change. In this video, I'll show you how to retrain your brain to work without excitement so you can stop wasting your life and start making real progress. Step 1. Stop feeding your brain constant stimulation. Your biggest mistake isn't laziness, it's constant stimulation. Every spare moment is filled. Scrolling, watching, consuming. Your brain never sits long enough to respect effort. So for a short period, you remove high-frequency stimulation. Not forever, just long enough to break the expectation of instant reward. Step 2. Relearn how to tolerate boredom. You don't jump straight into deep work. Your brain is not trained for it yet, so start small and boring. Cleaning your room, walking without headphones, stretching, sitting with your thoughts. These tasks feel uncomfortable because your brain is used to constant input. Good. That discomfort is the reset. If you can't stay consistent with small, boring actions, big goals will always remain fantasies. Step 3. Train patience by delaying reward. Dopamine addiction is really impatience in disguise. You quit because results don't show fast, so you reverse the pattern. Study without checking progress. Train without tracking gains. Improve without telling anyone. Let effort exist without validation. Delayed reward rebuilds focus faster than any detox. If you need instant feedback to stay consistent, you're still dependent. Step 4. Add controlled friction to your days. Everyone wants life to feel easier. That's why they stay average. So you add friction on purpose, slightly harder workouts, slightly longer focus sessions, slightly uncomfortable routines, nothing extreme, just consistent resistance. Comfort weakens your attention. Controlled discomfort rebuilds it. If your days feel too smooth, you're not progressing, you're decaying. Only one thing changes your life: doing what needs to be done without needing to feel good first. Close this video. Start now. That's the real dopamine reset. Subscribe.